Hey everyone, my name is Jaime. I'd love to share on Canva. I think it's a phenomenal digital tool that I highly recommend. And to show you how to use this, I'll actually briefly go over one of the recent projects that I've been working on. I used Canva to create websites for students to visit and actually complete assignments or do projects. But anyways, you would create an account here for Canva, and I've actually gone ahead and invested and purchased the premium membership. So if you are taking this seriously, and if after reviewing this tutorial you're like, yeah, I really want to take advantage of these features, a lot of them are free, but there are some things that you can do with a paid plan that for some might be worthwhile, and you might want to invest in this. But anyways, first you start off here by selecting what type of project you want to work on, right? And so you can do a video, social media posts, presentations, or you can do a website. And so this is how I created this website. I clicked on here and I chose a template. Here are the different templates that you can choose from, and from there you would tailor it and make it your own. This is one that I've just ultimately completed, and this is something that I've been working on for the admissions office at Houston Christian. I'm an admissions counselor, and so I've been able here to add our logo. I downloaded these from our website through our branding file, and so you're just able to add different PNG files, different graphics, and different fonts. You can download all of it, or you can upload all of it here to Canva and use it on the interface. But here's what it kind of looks like. I'll show you a preview of what the website looks like, right? And all of these cool effects can be done straight through Canva. And so what I've done here is I called it Campus Highlights, and basically it's for students that are going out on tours, and not everything on the campus tour is showcased. So these are campus highlights. So if you couldn't see it on the tour, you can scan the QR code on the back of your badge, and you'll be able to see the different places around campus that you didn't get to visit. And through Canva, you're actually allowed to make, just add hyperlinks and these cool little GIFs here. So if you click on this, it takes you to Flickr. This is another thing that I used, where basically I created an account for our admissions office where you can upload pictures, unlimited pictures, and now students will be directed here, and they simply just go back here to the Canva website, and they just continue checking it out. Okay, cool, awesome. I'll just click through this here for a second, but okay, yeah, this is what the edit feature looks like. I'd like to show you how to add things. Okay, elements. Right, so this is where I found the GIFs to use. And I added those down here, and once you add them, you can add your own hyperlink here. And so every time you tap on this GIF, it'll take you to whatever you've linked that to, which is really neat. For whatever business or corporation or organization that you end up working for, if they have official branding colors, you're actually allowed to create a brand identity here for Canva. So these here are all the official legal trademarked colors for our university, and I found these on our website. Essentially they're hex codes. You can add those here, and this is how you'll be able to save a brand identity for whatever project you're going to be working on in the future for whatever company. Down here you can also add social media things, but anyways, this is something that I've used for prospective students needing to learn more about specific facilities here on our university. And it's very user-friendly, and I think it's very attractive. It's also very interesting, just the fact that you can scan a QR code behind your badge and it takes you here, and that's how you can learn more about facilities. I think that's really cool. It's a very interactive way of engaging students in a tour. But yeah, thank you. Sorry for extending a little bit. If you have questions, please let me know. I'd love to go over all of this. Here are some other features. I'll just click through everything so you can kind of see it. But you can add text boxes. Of course, I already went over elements, designs. You would choose your templates that you want to use, and then you would just edit them. You can also draw and create your own art. This is how you would upload different files and pictures that you would want to include in your project. But yeah, that's about all. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.